Watch yourself. Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. Take a little climb with me up here into the rafters of the shop. I want to show you something. Get a light up here so you can see. I can see, but the camera can't see. Whoop! Don't shine the light in the people's faces. Okay. You see that? Yes, a piece of wood. In fact, there's two pieces. More specifically, there are three pieces. These have been up here since, well, we moved. Why? I don't know. And that's the messed up part, is I have no idea why they're here. I don't. And I'm going to get them down. Now, when I first measured them, just because they kind of do stick up here. Let me see what I'm doing. Yeah, right there, they kind of stick up. What is it doing? No, don't do that. But touch screens sometimes. Anyway, I measure them, and it's 2x material, but not in terms of its width. In terms of its thickness, yes, but not its width. And they are rather long, and I've got to figure out what to make with them. Now, I do have one thing I'm going to do, but I don't know what to make with them. And it makes it even harder because they're cupped. Yeah, they are a little cupped. I can clearly see that. And I have no way to really plane them down because I don't have a planer. I could convert to a, so you guys down here. I could convert to a drum sander. I could take care of that on the shopsmith, but I don't have some kind of tuber dowel long enough to pull it off right now. So I don't even have anything long enough to pull it off right now. So what would you make? That's my question to you, ladies and gentlemen. What would you make? Leave a comment down below and keep your eyes open, because at least one of these boards is going to appear. And hopefully I'll see you next time right here in the Beggars Woodshop. Okay, I know I just concluded the video, but at the same time, I wanted you to see this. Okay, I wanted you to see what the piece I took down looked like. Alright. Wait. That's not all. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is insane. Lots of knots, split wood. Holy cow. Now this thing is about 6 feet. And I have no idea what it's going to be used for. I have no idea what to do with it. So we're all going to wait and see. Hopefully I will see you next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop. Oh boy.